Hello everyone. So today I will just going to be discussed one new subjects from our B.Pharm syllabus, and basically it is actually in the third semester of our B.Pharm syllabus. I can specifically say. So this is the physical pharmaceutics one. Okay. So before going to this, I mean the specific subject physical pharmaceutics one. So obviously, I have to just little bit give you the idea regarding what is pharmaceutics, because that is the main, I mean the discipline or main specialization. So what is pharmaceutics? Pharmaceutics is basically this is a branch of pharmacy that deals with the formulation, manufacturing, evaluation and packaging. Means we have to formulate any kind of dosage form, and obviously the what is the mechanism of the manufacturing of that particular dosage form, and after manufacturing what are the particular evaluation we have to, I mean, done to check its quality. Okay. And obviously the packaging. So all those things are actually described or discussed in this kind of pharmaceutics. Okay. And what is physical pharmaceutics, if I mean say, so that is basically, I mean, regarding this kind of physical and physicochemical property, I can say. So all the excipient, all the drugs, I mean all this kind of substance have obviously little bit physicochemical property, have the physical property. So if one pharmacist have not idea regarding this kind of properties, so he or she cannot manufacture that particular formulation. So this kind of properties is very much important, and in this physical pharmaceutics we can just discuss all those properties and we can study it also. Okay. Not only that, and what is the proper condition environment to, I mean, manufacturing or storage condition of a particular drug. Okay. And all those kinetics and the safe life. Okay, this kind of things actually discuss in the physical pharmaceutics. Okay. So now you can see here in the screen that I have shared the syllabus, I mean the of the physical pharmaceutics one, which is actually in the semester 3 in B.Pharm. So what are the unit here? Okay, I'll just little bit give you the idea regarding the unit. Like the first unit is the solubility of drugs. So the solubility of drugs also is kind of a physico-chemical properties, because the particular solubility of that particular drug with different solvent is different. So I have to know, we have to know, and I mean the how much the drug is soluble in that particular specific solvent. That is very much essential. Okay. And I'm related to different laws, also the stated or discussed here, like Raoult's law. Okay. Binary solution, ideal solution, this kind of concept is discussed here. And after that, the states of matter, because we have to already know that many different types of matter is there: crystalline, amorphous. Okay. So this kind of things actually discussed in the states of matter or the properties of matter. Different of kind of bond, weak interaction forces like van der Waal. Okay. We dipole induced dipole, this kind of things, I mean, actually discussed in the states of matter and the properties of matter. Okay. And after that, the physicochemical properties of the drug molecules. When are just we going to be perform any kind of pre-formulation study, then this kind of physicochemical properties of drug molecule is very much essentials, like the refractive index. Okay. Dielectric constant, dipole moment, dissociation constant, this kind of thing. Okay. So this is all about the unit 2. And unit 3, I can see the surface and interfacial phenomena. Now what is surface tension? Surface tension is a property due to that any kind of liquid is actually try to hold a minimum surface area, this kind of concept. And the interfacial phenomena, there is just little bit difference between the surface tension and interfacial tension. What is the difference? Surface tension, this is actually a kind of force which is actually acts on the surface of any kind of liquid. But if I say the interfacial tension is basically in the interface of the two types of liquid. So that is the things an HLB scale. And in unit 4 you can see the complexation and protein binding, that how much how the protein binding of any kind of drug can impact in the ADME, I mean the pharmacokinetics property, pharmacodynamics property, these kind of things. And in the unit 5, in the last unit for the pharmaceutics one, this is all about pH buffers and isotonic solution, these kind of things. So that is all about, I mean, the syllabus. If I say from physical pharmaceutics 1, physical pharmaceutics 2 also is there in the semester 4, but I will just obviously first start the physical pharmaceutics 1. Okay. So that is the little bit introductory sessions from my side. Thank you everyone.